This is Mcdpoor. I have 4 sets of handcuffs here in front of me. The first one is a Schrade. Tried it. It's a little bit more difficult actually, not having them on your wrist, it seems like. But let's see what we can do here. That, I think when you're making a video, you kind of overthink it a little bit instead of just automatically doing it. Oh, those last ones was a Peerless 700Cs, shacklemen. This is a no-name, cheap set of cuffs. Which can go either way. Sometimes they can be a pain, sometimes not. And this is a made in Spain. I can't pronounce actually the name of it, to be honest with you. But they hope y'all can see it. And got my pick stuck. I'm going to try to sneak in here and get this one open also. Got one side. This is actually seems to be the closest tolerance that I have. I got partially opened. And there we go. So catch you later. Today's a good day for a good day, and please have a good day. Goodbye.